Okay, I'm gonna hang my Caribbean Breeze wall choke today. I had made a video of taking this apart, but the thing ran out of space and it got all screwed up, so I lost that video. But bottom line is there's two screws, one there and then one on the bottom. Undo those screws. These are the screws. I'll release this plate off the back. This is the rear plate. And then this is what it looks like inside of there. Pretty hefty looking speed control. Not sure if that's a date code there. It says 120 volts. So it says 48 dot something and then 120V. Interesting. The other thing I have here is the screws that go on here into the wall. This was originally sealed. It was just stapled shut. I almost didn't want to open it, but I figured, might as well open it because it's not going to do any good just sitting there. And these screws, I don't think these actually, and these were in the box, but I don't think they're actually a part of the fan because, well, I have no idea what they would go to. Plus the packaging looks a bit too new for the 80s. So, I'm not sure what we'll do with those. And then, of course, Caribbean Breeze logo, which came off the down rod, and the tie wraps for the wire. So, I'm going to hang this. You have to excuse the noise. The furnace is on now, but I'm going to hang this in my office here on this wall, but it's going to be too thin, so I'm going to have to put a piece of wood on here like this and mount it on that wood. So let's hang the wood. Set this video taker down. Move this telephone out of the way. Hopefully I can do this without drilling holes in this wood because I don't feel like doing that. What the heck? Look at this screw. You gotta be kidding me. What? Interesting. That is what I would consider to be a defective screw. Okay, let's see if I can get one that's not defective. I tell you, quality control is just, disgusting in this age. Okay, that looks a bit less defective. Let's try this again. This screwdriver's all slick because this is the one I used on the Caribbean Breeze. Okay. Now, it's not quite as sturdy as I'd like it to be. That'll have to do. Alright, let me get the control and we'll put it on there. That's nice. The furnace decided to turn off for the rest of the video. Anyway, here's the original screws in this thing here. It's the original staple for this. Stick that back in here. Okay, so these two screws go, you know, in there, and it goes onto the wall. Now this, I would be very surprised if I can do this without having to drill holes, because these are common screws now, which are a little bit more difficult to get in when there's no hole. Let's see where this is going to have to be. Yeah, we're going to need to drill some holes. This would be better if I didn't have, yeah, that is better. Okay. Well, I guess we'll leave it on. Alright, let's try this again. Okay. Okay, now the only problem with this setup that we're going to run into is the fact that the wire to plug into the outlet comes out the bottom, and I'm going to be plugging it up on the ceiling. I think for this part of the video I'm going to turn that light off. So we're going to have to figure out that. I don't see any way to change the way the wires come out, so it's just going to have to be like that. So anyway, so the way this mounts is pretty straightforward. We just have the two screw holes. It just goes on here like this. Where does this go on the inside? There we go. So it goes completely over the plate. And then we have our screws that go in the top here. I want you to take a look at that a little bit closer. The light, there we go. This is a lousy angle to try and screw this in here. I got a short screwdriver. Properly here. Okay. And it's the same procedure on the bottom. Okay. And there you have it. This is all mounted. Thank you for watching.